Yes, spring is in the air, and that could only mean one thing. This beast is about to come out. So as I showed you guys last year in the one videos of the Giulia Quadrifoglio coming out of hibernation, I'm not going to go into all those details. But yeah, as you guys can see, it's still on the battery tender. So we're going to uncover it, disconnect that, drop the tire pressures down to 35, 36, 37 PSI or so, and go for a spin. And what I wanted to do today is talk about insurance coverages. So stay tuned and come along for the ride. Bam! There you go, looking beautiful as ever. Look at that shine. It's like a brand new car each time I take it out after a long winter. Alright guys, we're going to do the famous cold start and see how she starts out. Woo! She's alive! Alright, so we're going to let her warm up a bit and go for the cruise. Alright guys, so here we are. So as you guys saw that I started it by remote, so I had no issues, no check engine lights, no warnings, nothing. The only thing I did get was the key fob error that it did not detect it. So I shut it down, I restarted again, and now it seems to be working fine. So I'm not sure if the key fob battery is low or it just needed that little reset, but either way. So yeah, we're just gonna let it warm up a bit. We're up to 3 bars now, so we're gonna warm it up a bit more. So yeah, this is just in normal mode. Man, I miss driving this car. This is such an awesome car. Coming from the GR Corolla, this is just a whole different beast, a whole different animal. You really can feel that you got over 500 horsepower powering the rear wheel only. So yeah, that makes a big difference for traction. So this one is definitely a lot more playful and fun. So yeah, let's just keep driving here. So as I was saying about insurance, I got my renewal in the mail a few weeks ago, and I was currently with Allstate, and I had a pretty good rate, between $1,500 and $1,600 a year, and now they decided to spike it up to $2,550 for the year. So obviously I called them to see what's going on, why why such an increase. Oh, that's a nice Corvette. So yeah, because like I never got any tickets, like nothing has changed, so why such a crazy increase? So they told me that with more data that they collected on these types of cars, the Quadrifoglios, they realized that replacement parts are very expensive for it. And another determining factor is that auto thefts are on the rise. So because of that reason, it went up by pretty much $1,000. So I started shopping around, and now I ended up with Haggerty. I'm sure you guys are familiar with them. They mostly deal with classic cars, exotic cars, cars that are not driven much. And I figured, well, let's give them a shot. Maybe they can take this car. And to my surprise, they accepted it, no problem. The only catch is I had to sign saying that this is not my daily car, which is true because I do not drive it to the grocery store or to work or whatever. It's more of a, weekend cruiser type of thing. And yeah, the premium for that for the year is $1,200 Canadian, of course. So yeah, if you guys are, shopping around for insurance, definitely give them a call. They'll give you a quote online, and that's exactly what I did. I did it online, and then I called them to confirm that that quote was correct, and in fact it was. They got all my driving details, everything else, and yeah, that was the quote. So having said that, let's go. Yeah, we'll go this way, I guess. So yeah, having said that, I'm going to be saving a lot of money this upcoming year and in the future years. Now, the only catch with them, for those of you that actually store your cars over the winter months, you're still paying that premium during the winter months. So overall total is less for the year, but you still have full coverage for the rest of the year, or the whole year I should say. So even though I took it off insurance with Allstate, that actually worked out to be a lot more money in the end for the year as a whole than for me paying for insurance for 6-7 months or so. So yeah, having said that, let's have some fun with this. Let's put it in race mode, manual. Oh, that sound. Oh, got a little squirrely there. Oh yeah. See, that's what I'm talking about. Look at these downshifts. Yeah, even to this day, like no other car can match this. Like, it's simple, it's laid out perfectly for the driver. It's definitely a driver's car. Woohoo! Gotta warm up those tires a bit. Actually, let's go back this way. Too congested that way. So yeah, hopefully this helps you guys out with the insurance. If you guys are shopping around, definitely give them a call. And it could save you a few $100 a year. So why not? Alright guys, I guess we'll wrap it up here. So thanks again for watching. Hopefully you guys found this video informative, at least for the insurance aspect of it. And look out for more videos featuring this beautiful Quadrifoglio. Till again next time.